Want to launch an app or website without writing endless lines of code? I'm about to reveal two powerful AI tools that are changing everything, no tech skills needed. With Google Firebase Studio and Blackbox AI, turn your ideas into real apps and websites in minutes. This video will change your life. Say goodbye to outdated building tools forever. Welcome to AI Ustad 2.0 for latest AI updates. Number 1, Google Firebase Studio. Let's go to Google and search for Firebase Studio. Then click on the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of the video. This is the homepage of Firebase Studio, the full-stack AI workspace. Firebase Studio accelerates your entire development lifecycle with AI agents. You can build back-end, front-end, and mobile apps in one place for free. Using Firebase Studio, you can develop and deliver your projects with confidence. To get started, click on Get Started. This is the main dashboard of Firebase Studio. Here you can enter your prompt. You can also add pictures to your application. Use suggested prompts, attach files, start with templates or an empty workspace. You can import a Git repository or upload your own project. And you can select different programming languages according to your needs. Now let's create a project for free. First, we'll explore the prompt feature. Type in the prompt bar, create an online shopping store app, and also add inventory, where we can add details about products, add and remove products. Also, I need my app in black and gray colors. Then click on Prototype with Firebase Studio. It will take a few seconds to create a prototype for our app, so be patient. Once the prototype is ready at the top, you'll see the app name. Then you'll see the features of our app, like product listing, inventory management, and shopping cart. There are also style guidelines. You can edit the prototype as needed by clicking on Customize. From here, you can edit app features, style guidelines, and more. After making changes, click on Save. Once your prototype is ready, click on Prototype this app. Firebase Studio will take a few seconds to generate the code for your application. So again, be patient. Using Firebase Studio, you can create apps and websites for free. Once the code is ready, you'll see your app on the left side. Now click on Inventory. Here you can add a product, delete a product, and much more. For example, I'll add a product named AI Ustad 2.0. In the description, I'll write Tech to World, and for the price, I'll type 100. After that, you can add an image URL. Click on Add Product. Once everything is ready, your product is added successfully, and you can see it at the bottom of your application. Now click on Add to Cart. After that, your cart is updated. Click on Cart to see your product added successfully. You can increase the product quantity, and you'll see the price increase automatically. This is the beauty of Firebase Studio. Next, click on Share Preview link. Here you can make your app public or private according to your needs. You can copy the URL of your app or scan a QR code using your mobile phone. Now I'll click on Make Preview Public so everyone can access it easily. After that, click on Share Preview link again and copy the preview URL. Now open a new browser, paste the URL, and press Enter. Boom! Now our app is accessible to everyone using this link. The beauty of Firebase Studio is that you can create these types of apps and share them with the world. You can also publish your app. For that, click on Publish. You can publish your app by completing these 3 steps. First, select your project. Second, link your cloud billing account. And third, set up your environment. Once these 3 steps are completed, your app is fully functional and live. Using Firebase Studio, you can create apps and websites and share them with the world. Number 2, Blackbox AI. Go to Google and search for Blackbox AI, then click the very first link. The link is also provided in the description of this video. This is the dashboard of Blackbox AI. Now click on the top right corner. Here you can create a new chat, create an agent, or go to your workstation. You can also download the Mac desktop app from here. Features and history are also available. Now click on Models. Here you can see many AI models, such as Blackbox AI, GPT-4, Gemini Pro, Claude Sonnet 3.5, and Blackbox Pro. You can select one of these based on your needs. From Create, you can create something using Blackbox AI. Next, click on Features. More than 10 million users are using Blackbox AI, and Fortune 500 companies rely on Blackbox AI. You can chat with Blackbox AI in real time, and you can also perform web searches as needed. You can use the amazing revolutionary cyber coder feature from Blackbox AI that transforms the coding experience. You can also chat with PDF files and folders using this amazing AI tool. Blackbox AI can edit large code files or your massive code base easily using Blackbox AI's innovative technology. You can also generate AI images using Blackbox AI, transforming any image into a functional application. You can also chat with GitHub repositories. Using Blackbox AI, we can chat with large code repositories and upload files and folders. Blackbox AI takes version control to the next level with seamless integration with VS Code, allowing developers to manage projects. And there are so many more features of this amazing and powerful AI tool. You can also generate AI images, make apps using Blackbox AI, and create agents. Here you can search from the website, generate images, and upload files or folders. For demo purposes, I will click on Web and then type "What is Bitcoin?" It will take time to process and search from the web. Wait for a while. Here are the final results at the top of the Blackbox AI, which shows the resources from where this data can be obtained. This is amazing. At the bottom of the canvas, we can see a Blackbox AI generates good content. If we are satisfied with the answer, we can appreciate it. If not, we can disagree. We can also regenerate all content, share it with friends using a link, create a new chat, and select AI models. Now, I want to regenerate all content, so I click Regenerate. After waiting for the results, it is amazing. It's totally different from the previous one. On the left side, we can see the sources from where Blackbox AI can get the information. Now click on Generate Image using Blackbox AI. For demo purposes, I will type "man with computer" and press Enter. Wait for a while. Our query is being processed to generate the image. Here are the final results. Wow, it looks amazing. These images look very realistic. Now I will paste a prompt here and press Enter to generate the image. Wait for a while. It takes time to generate the images, and here are the final results from Blackbox AI's image generator. It's looking great and perfect. Now I want to create an agent. Click on Create Agent, then add a name. I will type Tech Root Solution, and in the Profile Picture section, I will type Elon Musk. Then click Generate Image. We can also instruct our models and publish them as public or private, depending on our choice. Then click Generate Agent. Wait patiently as Blackbox AI generates our agent. Here is the final result. Wow, this is exactly what I wanted. Our agent is ready, and we can also invite our friends as well. Now I want to upload a file from my laptop. Click on Upload, then Upload Files. You can select a file from your computer system and click Open. Now we need to ask our queries, and Blackbox AI will respond. For demo purposes, I will type important key points and click Enter. Wait for a while. It will take time to generate a response to our queries. Here are the key points. Now click on App Builder to create an app using Blackbox AI. For demo purposes, I will type, "I want to create a fitness app for my customers," and press Enter. Here is our app in process. Wait for a while. It will take time to process. Here are the final results. Wow, amazing. Blackbox AI makes life easy. Everyone can create an app or website with Blackbox AI. Blackbox AI will create a professional website. Now I will click on Code. Here is our HTML code. We can modify the code, download it to our system, and check its responsiveness on both mobile and desktop. This website is responsive on mobile. Wow. Now click on HTML and Tailwind. Here are different languages we can customize according to our needs. Now I'll select HTML and CSS. For the demo, I will type Create an App for Library Management System and press Enter. Wait for a while. It will take time to generate the website. Wow. Blackbox AI makes life easy for developers. We can download our HTML and CSS code. Try out these amazing AI tools for yourself and share your thoughts in the comment box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates on AI tools and trends.